What's up everyone, this is Ryu, and today I'm going to be unboxing these two, and let's do this. Oh! Got Camper Bobby. And the principal of the thing. Well, that's about it. Very short video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.